Whether you felt it or not, I just suggest one more thing to do. You just take your right hand, put it on top of your head. The way you are sitting, just see this. You're not very sure you felt or not. Now just see, very simple thing. Close your eyes, no need to touch your head. Put your hand half an inch above. Okay? And see if you're feeling anything cool or warm here. Either close to the head or slowly keep moving your hand up and up. Slowly. And keep bringing it down. At some point, you will feel a very subtle coolness or warmth. Wherever you feel, some can feel it very close to their head, some can feel at a distance, or some can feel it right through. Just say, is this the energy, all-pervading energy that I am feeling? Just ask the question and see, what are you feeling? First check with the right hand, 2-3 times. Wherever you feel the energy, it is distinct but very subtle. It will either be warm or cool. And I'll tell you what it means. And then put your right hand in your lap and check with the left hand. No need to touch the head, just check half an inch above. Some may feel the same way that you felt in the right hand, but some may feel it different in the left hand. See how you're feeling in the left hand now. And some may feel warm in right and cool in left, or the other way also. Everyone will have a different experience, and I'll tell you what it means. Bring your hands in your lap. So, if you felt warm in left hand and cool in right hand, that means the left energy channel is working, overactive, emotional side is more. If you're feeling hot in the right side and cool in the left side, that means the right side. The right side is overactive if the right hand is hot. So you know, you felt it yourself. It's very distinct. As I told you, it is self-certification. No one else will tell you. You felt it. And some would have not felt in one hand, but would have felt in one hand. That means the hand which you are not feeling, say for example, you're not feeling in the left hand, that means your right side is draining your left side. Your emotional side is being drained by your power of action. So, using Sahaja Yoga, the balancing techniques, you can balance this. Automatically happens. You can check out this website, freemeditation.com.au. We'll give you some brochures also, more details about it. It is very, very interesting, but this is an experiment with your own self. As I told you, you need to certify yourself. You know what you're feeling, whether you're felt or not. So, during the rest of the program, just with your hands like this, whatever you felt on top of your head, you will feel the same in your palms also, because those centers, these are all plexuses in our body. These chakras are called plexuses in medical science. Aortic plexus, solar plexus, cardiac plexus, thyroid, all these are the centers here. So all these are active now, awakened. So now you start feeling it. So with that, we'll come to the grand finale of today's program.